Good morning, everyone. This is Khushi Parmar of class 10th B. This is my internal assessment activity of computer. We will learn about data consolidation, what if scenario, goal seek. Data consolidation. There is an example in front of you all. This is the calculation of marks that Roshni, Shiv, and Ruby scored in the week 1, 2, and 3 in the month of June and July. Before we go further, we are going to learn what is range. If we select a single cell, it is a column and its first row. Its name is A1. If we select more than one cell, as you can, it is starting from A1 and ending at B2. So its name A1, B2 as you can see in the name box. So we are going to create second range. So we have created second range here. Now our range 1 and 2 data is ready. Now we go under data option and click on consolidate. Such type of dialog box will open. You can apply as many functions over here, but I am going for the basic one, sum. First comes the source data range. At the side one option, you can even shrink and create your own range, but we have already created a range, so we can click on the drop down arrow and click range 1 and 2 and click add. So now both our ranges are added. Now click on more. In the More option, enable row, labels, columns, labels and links to source data so that our data is calculated accordingly, the rows and columns. Our consolidation data is ready. To understand what if scenario, there is an example in front of you all. We have written 4,000 as principal amount, 2 as rate of interest and 1 as time period. We have also written the formula P divide multiply R multiply T divided by 100 to calculate the simple interest, and the simple interest comes to be 800. So we can select the particular range. After selecting the range, we click on Tool menu and select Scenario option. Such dialog box will open in front of you all. We can change the name of the scenario as ST1 from the dial name. So, as you can see, there is a border around each side of the selected range, so it is our scenario. Now, if we change the principal amount from 4,000 to 20,000, the simple interest is calculated as 400. Similarly, we select the same range again and go under Tool menu and click Scenario. We change the default name and keep it as ST2. In down option, you can select different types of colors from your borders. I have selected magenta color. Now click on OK. So as you can see, the border color has changed to the magenta color. Now let's move on to the last topic, that is goal seek. Goal seek is such a function in which we put a assumption that we want to gain this result as the simple interest and what value should be there in the principal amount. Now 400,000 is the principal amount, 4 as the rate of interest and 1 as the time period. Now we want 400 as a simple interest, then we should value it in the principal amount for the purpose we are using goal seek. We go under Tool menu and click Goal Seek. Such dialog box will open. So first is the formula cell. The formula cell is in C9. So we select C9 cell as the formula cell. In this target value, we need our assumption. So our assumption is 400. Variable cell is that where should the change come. So our target is 400 and our value cell is in C9. So which value should get changed? We want to know the principal amount. So we select the cell of principal amount C5 and click OK. Now you can see it is showing goal seek successfully. Insert result 10,000 in the current cell. So our value is changed to 10,000. That means principal amount is 10,000. Here is the final outcome of goal seek function. Thank you.